So in this video we're going to talk about osmosis. Osmosis by definition is the movement of water from high water potential into low water potential. Now, what is high water potential and what is low water potential? What does this mean? Before I explain that, I just want to remind you that your body is full of exchanging surfaces. All living organisms are full of exchanging surfaces. So through these exchanging surfaces, water constantly moves. So let's take, for example, imagine that we have two cells that are close to each other. Water will always go from one cell to the other and will also come back. So water in your body constantly moves. Now, what determines the direction of water or where the water is gonna move into? Water potential is what determines the direction of the water. So what is water potential? I will try to explain this with a simple example. So imagine here that we have one glass and we separate this glass with a semi-permeable membrane. Both sides of the glass, they have equal amount of water. This side though has 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, so you can see this is the sugar. This side now doesn't have any sugar in it. So here it's 0. The different solutes that can actually dilute in water can affect the water potential. When inside water we have lots of solutes, it means that this side is going to have low water potential. This side, which doesn't have any sugar in it, it's going to have high water potential. So this one has higher water potential than this one. In another way of phrasing it, imagine that in this side of the cup, water molecules will be needed in order to dissolve the sugar. So many water molecules inside here will be occupied. On the other side now, there is no sugar, so the water molecules will not be occupied. So all of the water molecules in here will be free. So which side now has the most free water molecules? This side. So this side has high water potential. This side has low, because many water molecules are occupied, or if you like, less water molecules are free. So by definition of osmosis, water will move from high water potential into low water potential. So if we leave this for 20 minutes, then this is gonna change and the levels of water will also change. So the water from this side will move into this side from high water potential to low water potential. So at the end, we're going to have a decrease of the level of water in here and an increase in the level of water in here. So this is osmosis, from high water potential to low water potential. Or if you like, from the area of lots of free water molecules to the area that has less free water molecules.